Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this really cute double lace braid style. Okay, so to begin with, I've just lightly dampened her hair with water. I'm doing a deep parting on her left hand side and then going from that parting line over to her ear to get one large section. I'm then going to just clip it up out of the way so that I can tie the remainder of the hair up into a ponytail. So for the ponytail, like I said, I've lightly sprayed her hair with water. I've also added some VO5 gel spray just to keep the loose bits of hair up into the style. I've used a wide tooth comb to get the weight of her hair up as she's got so much of it. But then I'm going back over it again with a thinner tooth comb and then tying it all up into an elastic. Okay, so now going from that parting line that we did at the beginning, I'm going to do a diagonal part, trying to make both parts as equal as possible. So just checking back to a hairline and having a feel of how much hair is there and just adjusting that parting so that you've got two equal sections. To start the braid, you need a small piece of hair split into three. You're going to take that right side under the middle and that left piece goes under the middle. Then you're going to combine some more hair with that piece on the right side and take them both under that middle strand. The left strand then goes under the middle. Going to combine that right side with more hair from the hairline. Take both pieces under the middle. And then take the left side under the middle. Add some more hair from the hairline. Add it to the right side. Take both pieces under the middle. Then the left side goes under the middle. Going to add more hair to the right hand side, take them both into the middle, and the left hand side goes into the middle. Every time we're adding to the right hand side, we're going to add more hair, and we're going to take both pieces under that middle section. But the left hand side doesn't add any more hair, it just goes under. I like to use a comb just because it helps to keep all the pieces together. I find it makes it neater and I can catch the hair easier, especially at the front of her hair. She's got a lot of baby hairs. So you can see that after each stitch, I just give it a little tug just to make sure that it's secured well and it's not going to fall out of place. I'm holding her hair with my knuckles facing upwards and the hair is in the palm of my hands. And then I can keep hold of that hair so it doesn't let go and it doesn't become loose. So I'm taking small sections each time all the way along that parting line and I'm trying to braid as close to that diagonal part line as possible. When you've got to the very end, I'm just going to braid all the way to the end of her hair and then just clip it out of the way. So moving on to the second side, I'm going to take a small section of hair again, split that into three pieces, but then this side, I'm going to go left side under the middle, right side under the middle. Then on the left side this time, I'm going to combine more hair. And then take both pieces under the middle, left side, under the middle. Back to the right side, add some more hair, combine it with that piece of hair, take both pieces under the middle, and then take the left side under the middle. So we're adding hair to the opposite side that we did on that first braid. And again, we're going to try and braid as close to that parting line as possible to keep them together. So when you're taking your sections of hair now, you're taking from that original part line right up to the diagonal part line, sweeping right across that getting as much of it up to that parting line and then going under, and then taking that left side under the middle as well. And I'm just going to continue doing that all the way to the end until I get to the end of the hair. Okay, so when you've done those braids, you're going to take them carefully across the ponytail, not pulling too hard because you don't want to distort the braids that you've done. And then to take another bobble, undo those clips from the braid ends, and then just tie it all together. And then I'm going to finish it with a bow. And then there we have the finished look. So I hope you like this style. I think it's really pretty. We first originally did this as two braids going right down the back of her head. And then we later saw on Instagram some other amazing braiders doing it as a diagonal parting on the side of her head. So I'll tag their Instagram pages to the bottom in the description box below. Hope you like this style. Please let me know what you think of it. And we'll see you next time. Take care then. Bye.